Forward that the earth.
Go green, keep it clean. Pollution.
World Earth Day, World Earth Day.
We borrow it from our future.
Countries are included. It starts on 27. I'm going to speak about hydrosphere.
Plastic. Trees save trees. Trees are the lungs of our planet. They give us shade.
Today, I am here to speak about Earth Day. Earth Day is celebrated on
Water and air, making them unsafe for humans, animals.
Today, our Sabrina Great Wealth is going to deliver a speech on the topic Economic Growth versus Environment.
Speak on the topic Earth in Danger, time to act. Earth is our home. It gives us air.
Pranjal, Janvi, Agam and Tanisha for show their slogans.
On the occasion of the Earth Day, we are here to spread awareness about one small habit that can bring a big change in our daily life and proper segregation of the waste. We all throw garbage every day. Do we know where should it go? To keep our earth clean and healthy, we should use different colored dustbins for different kind of waste. Today, we the students of class 8 is going to tell you about the different colored dustbins for the different kinds of waste to protect our earth.
This is the green dustbin. The green dustbin is used for wet waste, which includes kitchen waste like vegetable peels, fruit waste, leftover food and garden waste. These type of waste is biodegradable, which means it can decompose naturally and turns into compost by using the green dustbin. We can reduce pollution and also create natural fertilizer for plants. So remember, green means go for wet waste.
This is blue dustbin. The blue dustbin is used for dry waste such as paper and cardboard. This material can be reused and recycled to make new product. If we throw dry waste in the correct bin, it helps in saving the natural resource. So remember, blue is for dry and recyclable waste.
This is yellow dustbin. The yellow dustbin is used for medical and harmful waste like used masks, bandages, gloves and sanitary waste. This can contain harmful materials, so it should be handled carefully to prevent the spread of diseases. The proper disposal of waste in yellow bins ensure hygiene for everyone. So remember, yellow is for harmful and medical waste.
This is red dustbin. The red dustbin is used for plastic waste and harmful materials like plastic wrappers, bottles and the material that cannot be recycled easily. So remember, red dustbin is for harmful and non-recyclable waste.
All these dustbins may look simple, but they play a very important role in protecting our earth. When we separate the different kind of waste, we recycle more and we separate the waste properly, which can lead to protect our earth. So remember, using different color dustbins may look simple, but it can play a very important role in protecting our earth. Thank you.